What does a boat or ship do? Gets us from port A to B when we travel by sea. But what if you got on a ship that can't reach the port, ever? If legends are to be believed, there's a ship called the Flying Dutchman. And it's doomed to roam the oceans forever. In fact, it's been 350 years and it hasn't reached home. It's the 21st century. Should we send them a map's location? But how did it all start? In 1641, the ship was going through South Africa's Cape of Good Hope, or as Vasco da Gama called it, the Cape of Storms. We can trust him on that. He's seen everything. The crew of the Flying Dutchman begged their captain, Willem van der Decken, not to sail into the storm. Instead, he swore to keep sailing, no matter how long it took. The devil said, "Aye, aye, Captain," and took Willem's swear seriously. As a curse, he gave the ship all the time in the world. And they're still sailing somewhere. People claim that the ship appears and vanishes all of a sudden. And it glows with a ghostly light, as if darkness at sea wasn't scary enough. Even King George V claims that he and his crew saw the flashes of the Dutchman. When they tried getting closer, they couldn't find it. Just like a pair of matching socks in our closets. And this gets scarier, because every crew member who saw the Flying Dutchman died by jumping or falling off a cliff, or faced really bad consequences. So if you're ever out in the ocean, look for the Flying Dutchman. Oh wait, don't watch out, unless you want the bad luck that follows.
Oh hey there! Head on over to DIY.org for fun projects, how-to videos, TV shows, and a global community of kids just like you. Okay, bye!